Welcome, this is Jeff from the Watkins Tree Farm. How are you guys? I am in the tree field because it is time to trim the Scotch pines. As you can see, a lot of new growth this year, a lot of growth up top. We need to go in and make that Christmas tree look. A lot of these still have the Christmas tree shape, which is good. These two kind of look like bushes, and we're gonna give it the old trim. I was able to get a hold of a Ego 24-inch hedge trimmer. I was about to pull the trigger on buying one. They're about $200. I don't have $200 right now, so guy at work has exactly what I was looking at. And that works just right with my 56-volt batteries, and that's what we're going to do today. I am going to do a little bit of a twist. I want to do them before and after for you guys. And also, when I get done trimming these trees, I'm going to go in and mow everything and trim everything, and then you can see what it's supposed to look like. Well, I'm going to quit talking and let's get trimming. Well, I ran into my first big problem. If you look here, the leader, come in. If you look here, the leader died. So I am going to grab one of these tall leaders and I'm going to tie it to the center, because we need a leader and I don't want it to grow sideways. So
I have a question.
okay.
Why would you grab that one when there's a huge hole right here? Wouldn't you rather grab a different leader?
Maybe.
Maybe like this one?
Okay.
What? You're welcome.
I'm still gonna trim this one.
You're right, but you've got a huge hole.
Okay. Listen to your wives, guys.
Well, I don't know if I'm right, but this tree has no side. Look at this poor thing.
It's plus this is one of those trees where I let the leaders get too long and I never trimmed it, so I have huge gaps. So this is going to take a one-of-a-kind person that wants a tree like this. We grabbed the leader that my wife said, we put it to the center of the tree, and we'll see what it does next year. Yeah, not like that. Do I have to answer that? And I'd also like to give a shout out to Cade Carlson for lending me his Ego hedge trimmer. Thank you very much, man. Much appreciated. It's gonna make this job go so much faster. If you can see, got all those trees to do. Now I know some people have 10 times more than that, but this is the most I've ever done. So let's get back to work. And just like that, guys, the trees are trimmed. That's a lot of work, but it's very rewarding, and it's a necessary evil. You have to do it to have good Christmas trees. If you don't do it, you're gonna have double leaders, you're gonna have big gaps in the trees. I mentioned that in the past. That's one of the things I'm trying to avoid, is the big gaps. Well, here, example, you can kind of see the void in here. So we've had great growth this year. I mean, amazing growth. These leaders have been maybe 18 to 20 inches. And so I go in and cut, and then the bud set sends out probably 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 on the outside, and then 1 in the center. And so we go in and trim it all and make it look good. We also try to get that Christmas tree look. I don't know if this is the best example, but that's one of our bigger trees. And so trimmed it up, trying to make it look nice. Here's another one. They're some big fat boys, aren't they? But I feel like it looks great. It is a lot of work, guys. I can't imagine. Look at all that. All those trees. It's gonna be, probably have to get more than one person to do this. But right now, I can take care of it, and it's not too bad. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, trimming the Christmas trees. Something that happens every year at the end of May, 1st of June. It's always so nice out. Really humid today, but I enjoy being outside. So I thank you guys for tuning in. You guys take care. God bless, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.